Now, this year's top student got 428 points, 3 points lower than last year's top student. Now, according to Education CS Ezekiel Machogu, the number of exam malpractices reported this year was 2. And the CS said all the candidates will transition to secondary schools.
Counties which had the highest percentages of candidates who were 18 years and above were Garissa, 25.86%, Turkana with 24.50%, Kwara County with 16.09%, Kilifi County with 15.66%, and Mandera County with 33.90%. The performance of candidates in each and every subject was as follows. The two papers, English language and the Kenyan Sign Language, conversation recorded an improvement in performance in the year 2023 compared with the year 2022, while 8 other papers, English conversation, Kiswahili Insa, Kenya Sign Language, Mathematics, Science, Social Studies, and Religious Education, recorded a slight drop in performance in the year 2023 compared to the year 2022. In terms of gender, the performance of male and female candidates was comparable in social studies and religious education. However, female candidates performed slightly better than their male counterparts in English language, Kiswahili, and the Kenya Sign Language. Male candidates performed slightly better than their female counterparts in mathematics and sciences. And in the 2023 KCPE examination, 80,523 candidates, which is 0.60%, attained a score of 400 marks and above. This was a drop compared with the 2022 KCPE examination when 9,443 candidates, which was 0.76%, scored 400 marks and above. The percentage of candidates scoring between 300 and 399 was comparable to last year with a percentage score of 24.94%, which translated into 307,756 candidates in 2022 and 24.92%, which translated into 352,782 candidates in 2023. The full summary is as follows. 400 to 500 mark, the number was 8,525 candidates, which translates to a percentage of 0.60. 300 to 399 marks, and the total number who scored that were 352,782.
Right, of course, that's the top story today is the KCPE examination results that was just announced today by CS Ezekiel Machogu. The top student who's garnered 428 comes from here in Nairobi County. Okay, we'll get more details on that in just a bit, but first I want us to take a short commercial break here.